Hello there, this is Malay and welcome to my channel. Well, in today's video, we will explore how to work with Python script in the PowerAutomateDesktop. Now, if you search for a Python, you will see Run Python script. If you drag and drop, you will have a designer that helps you to write the Python script. You can also use the Copilot to help you writing the script here itself. You have two versions available of Python, 2.7 and 3.4. You can use depending on how you are leveraging different libraries of Python. And then if you are using some other external modules, Python modules, you can specify the folder path where you have kept the modules if you're using any of the functionalities from that module in your script. And then finally, we have the variable produced where you can have the output of the Python script storing here. If you open it, you can also have a script error. If you have the error, then you will be saving that error message also in the script error. So let's go ahead and add a very simple example first. What I'm doing here is I'm declaring one list of numeric array. I'm filtering this list where the numbers are greater than 10, and then I'm doing the addition of all those numbers, filtered numbers, which are greater than 10. And then finally, I'm converting it to the string and then outputting the final result with the help of print. Whatever you specify in the print will become the output and stored into the output variable. So click on save and let's click run and wait for the result. And you can see that we have 47 as exactly as we needed, because greater than 10 is 12 plus 15 plus 20, which is 47. Let me show you another example of Python script. And this time around, let's do one thing. Let's save this for now and let us declare a variable, and we'll get the value from the variable. So let's declare a variable, drag and drop, set variable. Let's specify our name. The value is going to be PowerAutomateDesktop. Click on save. Edit this script, and instead of this PowerAutomateDesktop, which is hard coded, what we can do is let's go and get the variable from here and then we'll refer it. All this does is it reverses the name and then converts it to the uppercase. So let's go and click run. And this time you can see we are successfully able to reverse the text as well as change it to the uppercase. So that's a simple example, just helped you to understand. If you have a Python script, of course Python is super powerful. Depending on what you are doing with your script, you can definitely leverage the PowerAutomateDesktop to run your script depending on the library, Python version, get the output and work with your functionality. Thank you so much for watching this video.